It was not even 6 months ago that Californians overwhelmingly voted to enshrine abortion rights into the state constitution. But after a conservative federal judge in Texas ruled late last week to block the FDA's approval of the most widely used abortion medication, Mifepristone, questions now about what that could mean for access to the drug here in the state.
If this ruling is upheld, what is the impact here in California?
It's a huge impact.
Mifepristone was approved by the Food and Drug Administration more than 20 years ago. It's been used millions of times and is used in more than half of abortions in the U.S. In California, it's available through a prescription and often used along with another drug, Misoprostol.
Mifepristone and Misoprostol are the two medications used for medication abortion.
In response to the judge's ruling, Governor Gavin Newsom has announced the state has secured an emergency stockpile of 2 million pills of Misoprostol. The state says that while California still believes Mifepristone is central to the preferred regimen for medication abortion, stockpiling Misoprostol will ensure that California remains a safe haven for safe, affordable, and accessible reproductive care.
Medication abortion will continue to remain available in California, even if it is a Misoprostol only medication, which is, it's not ideal, but it still works.
Shannon Olivieri Hovis and Jessica Pinckney Gill are abortion rights activists in California. They say if the Texas judge's ruling is ultimately upheld, Mifepristone could no longer be available in any state. But they say it's important people know that access to abortions would still be legal in California, despite what they see as efforts by anti-abortion groups to undermine state laws.
It adds additional barriers, it adds additional hurdles for everyone involved.
Meantime, there's a competing ruling out of Washington state. A judge there ruled that Mifepristone is safe and effective. All eyes are now looking towards Washington, D.C. It's likely the future of the drug could come down to the Supreme Court. Liz Kreutz, ABC 7 News.